Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the infinite control switch for the larger burner on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the burner isn't getting any power. For this repair, we'll be using a 5/16 inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this repair, we'll be using a Whirlpool stove. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So what we're going to do now is turn the stove around. Now we have to remove this back panel here, and to do that, we're going to remove all these screws here. As I remove this last screw, I'm just going to hold the panel in place so it doesn't fall down. Okay. And then the panel will just come right off. So this is the infinite switch right here. What we're going to do is I've got to take a picture of these wires just so I can make sure I put them back in the right place first. And then I'm going to remove the wires. I'm going to have to remove the knob on the front of it, and then I can unscrew it. And now we'll remove all the wires. Now all the wires are off. Now I'm going to remove the knob on the front. And we've got two screws in here holding the switch on. I'll use my Phillips head screwdriver and take those off. And as I remove this bottom screw, I'm just going to make sure I've got my other hand holding that infinite switch so it doesn't fall out. Once you've got the screws out, you can just slide the switch back and we'll just pull it out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement infinite switch. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we'll put our switch in. Just make sure you've got it facing the correct way. And slide the knob in through that hole. And now we can screw it in. And now we'll screw it back in. Now we can put the knob back on. So now we can put the wires back on. And I'm using my picture as a reference to where everyone went. Now we've got all of our wires back in, and we can put the panel back on. So now I'll put the back panel into place. And I want to make sure this lip goes underneath here. Line up the holes as best as I can. Put one down here first. Now we can turn it back around and plug it back in. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.